Welcome to Daily Devo. I'm Pat. Today we're going to talk about do not steal. So we're working backwards through the 10 commandments. Why backwards? Well, make sure you stick with us till we get to the number 1, and we'll explain. Today we're on the 8th commandment. It's Exodus chapter 20, verse 15. It simply reads, "You must not steal." Now, that's about as clear as we can get. I don't need a lengthy explanation on what do not steal means. We get it. If it's not yours, don't take it. I probably don't even need to spend time explaining why stealing is bad. Again, it's a fairly simple concept. Respect other people. It's not right to take what's not yours. But what does this particular command teach us about the character of God? Remember, the 10 commands are not just do's and don'ts for us, but also revelations into the character of God. They say something about God's honor, His worth, His majesty, His holiness. They tell us what matters to God. Fun fact, Moses never actually refers to these as the 10 commandments. In Hebrew, the language the Old Testament was originally written in, it's not the 10 commandments, but the 10 words. So we might say these are 10 words to describe the nature and character of God, to describe what matters to God, to describe what should matter to you and me. This command to not steal is once again a powerful reminder that God is a good Father. He wants what is best for us. He wants us to choose life and freedom, not death and bondage. As humans, we often cringe at being told what not to do. But think about this 8th command, to not steal. No one can honestly say, this world would be a better place if we were all stealing from each other. Maybe today, as we are reminded of this 8th commandment, this 8th word from God, we can not only choose to not steal, but also be reminded how much God loves us and begs us to choose life, to choose freedom, to choose things that will serve both us and others. Maybe you can pause and pray and say, Abba, Father in heaven, Daddy, thanks for loving us so well.